Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Faith, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it'd be cool to show you guys my summer self-care routine. So basically my self-care routine is basically what I do to pamper myself. Pamper, I sound so British. I don't know, I feel like it's a British word. Anyway, I'm gonna be showing you guys everything I do when I want to pamper myself, which I need to do this more, but you know, I'm lazy. Only I had more motivation to do this, things I could do. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me, and let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna do my nails. I literally haven't done my nails this entire quarantine, so this is basically long overdue. Recently, I got these cool reusable pop-on nails, so I figured I was gonna try these out. These are static nails. This is in the print Lace Me Up. Basically what this is you're just supposed to clean your nails, and then technical difficulties, and then you're supposed to take this little glue stick and you're supposed to put it on your nails and then hold them on there. So this seems pretty foolproof, so let's see if this works. So I have to match up what nails fit where. Finally picked out all the right sizes. This was actually really hard to do, but I got them all for my fingers, so now I'm going to glue them on. So I'm not feeling the super pointy vibe, so I'm just gonna cut them shorter and round them. That's just not my vibe. Definitely like them better now that they're not as sharp on the end, so they're kind of rounded, but they're still long, so I like that. Okay, so since I just did my nails, I'm gonna go ahead and do my toenails. So for my toenails, I usually keep it simple and do the same color. I feel like some nail polishes don't look as good on your toenails as it does on your fingers, so I typically stick with the same color. So I use this gel couture kit from Essie, and this is in the shade Princess Charming, and it's a really pretty mauve pink, and I love this on my toes. I think it just goes perfectly. This also lasts a really long time because it has the gel top coat. Since I have toenail polish on, I have to remove it, so I have my cotton pad and my nail polish remover. My toes look so bad, guys. I haven't painted them in legit forever. I also need to trim my toenails. Just a 2-for-1 here, guys. And now it's time to paint my toenails. Obviously, I usually do 2 coats of the pink and then 1 coat of the top coat, and then see how it looks. So I just finished my toes, and this is what they look like. They came out pretty good. So I got my nails and my toenails painted, and I think they match pretty good together. So that was overall a success. So another thing I like to do during my self-care routine is to diffuse some essential oils just to give me a spa-like experience. Plus I love my essential oils and I'm always diffusing them. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse Sacred Mountain and then some lavender right now, and I might mix another scent in there. So I just took all my makeup off, and now I'm going to shave my face. So basically, if you guys don't know, shaving your face is supposed to be really good for your skin because it's supposed to exfoliate it and just get rid of the hair on your face. The razor that I use for my face are these Japanese little razors. I got these from Target, and yeah, I actually really like them. I think the head on this works really well. Usually I would use aloe on my face, but we don't have any, so I'm just gonna use this hydro gel from Target, because you don't want your skin to be dry when you shave it because you're gonna cut your face. And then you're gonna need a wipe to wipe off the excess. Starting with the moisturizer or aloe, whatever you're using, you want to put a lot on your face and layer it up. It's pretty simple. You just shave. You just want to be light-handed though. You don't want to be rough, because I did that the first time I did this and I cut my face. After I'm done doing that, I'm just gonna take some Mickler water and I'm just gonna put that on a cotton pad and wipe off my face and get all the gunk off of it. and voila, it makes your skin look a lot more glowy. I think it does definitely help with like acne and stuff, and it just really helps get rid of dead skin. So before I put my face mask on, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair mask. If you guys don't know, I used to have platinum hair and my hair is still super damaged, so I'm trying to recover it. So I've been using this Olaplex hair perfector. So basically you put this on damp hair for it and leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then you take a shower and rinse it out, and it's supposed to really help repair your hair. I've been using this a few times. I've noticed a huge difference. I'm gonna go wet my hair and then I'll be back to put it in my hair in here. So I just got my hair damp, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead, gosh, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair. Oh, I just got that on my shirt. And then once I get that all kind of combed through my hair, I'm gonna put it up with the scrunchie so it just kind of stays out of the way. Once that's done, in 30 minutes, I just shampoo and condition it out and we're good to go. Next, I'm gonna do a face mask. So I typically like to do my face mask before I get in the shower because it's just easier to get it all off of my face, because literally some face masks are impossible to get off. So my two mainly used face masks are these glamglow masks. So this one is the super mud. This is like clearing for acne, and then this is the gravity mud glitter mask. So basically this just firms your face and makes you look glowy. Today, I think I'm gonna do the acne one because as you guys can see, I'm having some acne issues and I haven't done this one in a while. So I'm gonna put this on my face. So I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes like it says in the instructions. And basically what this does, it like dries and it turns like a light gray color, and then you rinse it off and it really burns and you can't move your face. But you know, it works really well. It's actually one of my favorite masks. Yeah, I'm gonna let this sit and I'll see you guys in a second. Also, when I get in the shower, I'm going to be doing my favorite body scrub. This is by frankbody and this is the original coffee scrub. Guys, this legit smells like straight coffee. And I'm pretty sure it is, because if you look at it, it's basically like coffee and it smells like heaven. Oh my gosh, guys. So basically what you do is you get in the shower and then you apply this all over your body and you leave it on for 3 minutes, and then you rinse it off and your skin's like a Disney princess. Okay guys, so my skin is literally buttery soft now from that exfoliator, and my skin looks really good. It's a little red right now, but it does look a lot better and clearer. So when I get out of the shower, I usually put this Lush Dream Cream all over my body just to keep my skin moisturized. Plus this stuff smells so good. I love the smell of lavender, so this is like one of my favorite things. So I just went and I brushed out my hair and then put the lotion all over my legs, and now I'm gonna do my skincare for tonight. I'm just gonna use my glossy bubble wrap eye cream to put underneath my eyes, and then I'm gonna use my Avene restorative cream. This stuff is awesome. It's super thick and it really moisturizes my skin. And then I'm not gonna do this right now because I'm gonna go eat stuff. I put this on right before bed. So this is the Laneige Skincare Sleeping Care Lip Mask and Vanilla. This is awesome. I get really chapped lips and this helps so much. The last thing I do is I take some castor oil and I put it on my eyebrows and then my eyelashes. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm gonna go ahead and do my self-tanning routine. So for that, I use the Loving Tan 2 Hour Express Dark Mousse stuff. It also comes with a mitt, so this just helps me like apply it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and then leave it on for 2 hours and show you the finished result. The reason I didn't do this last night is because I like to exfoliate before I self-tan, because if you have dry patches, it like sticks to it, and that's not cute. And then once I put it all over my body, I change into like loose clothes. And then I usually do a teeny bit on my face. So I'm gonna take a teeny bit on there and then I'm gonna put this on my face. Now that I have that all over my body, I'm going to let it sit for 2 hours and I'm gonna rinse it off and then show you guys the finished result. So I just rinsed off in the shower and I'm gonna show you guys what the tan looks like. It definitely makes you like darker, but it doesn't look fake. And yeah, I love it. I usually don't do this in the summertime because I naturally tan in the summer, but this is a great thing to do for the winter because it looks super natural. It looks just like my real tan. Another thing I do to help keep the tan so I don't have to do it as much is I use this Jergens Natural Glow moisturizer. So basically you put this on once you get out of the shower when you're still wet and it gradually like tans you. So yeah, this is super dope. It helps the tan last longer. Just thought I'd mention that because we gotta keep our tans healthy. So that's pretty much it for my self-care routine. Like, I wish I had more motivation to do this than more than like once in a blue moon, but you know, it's progress, guys. So definitely let me know in the comments down below what your favorite self-care thing is to do for yourself. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. As always, don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comments down below. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, you can do so right below me. And if you're interested in checking out any of my previous videos, you can click them right over there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down.